Your theory is what I like to call
Communism?
bogus.
Look! Communism is basically saying, well, this is my property. No, this is our property.
Aren't, okay? Do you know
Then how are you assuming that one of them is a college professor that knows everything about the universe? How are you assuming that if you can't assume that those 5 people are Harvard students?
Okay.
My name is Aristotle. I was born in Stagira in Greece in 385 BC, and I think that there is virtuous people out there. People who can say the things that need to be said, courageous but not reckless, who are generous but not prodigious, and people who are honest but not brutally honest. I feel like there are virtuous people like that out there. And my point is, virtues are like a seesaw with vices at the ends and a golden mean in the middle, which is the virtue you have. And why don't you introduce yourself?
Okay, I'm anti-Aristotle, and there are 3 reasons I'm anti, okay? First and foremost, you're the teacher of the second worst killer in the history of the world. Second to only Genghis Khan, which is Alexander the Great. You taught Alexander the Great how to kill millions of people and effectively become the worst dictator in the history of the planet. Number 2.
I never taught him.
Number 1. Number 2, okay? You might have been the first scientific experimenter, but what you came up with is absolutely bogus. You said the ball stops rolling because it gets tired. I don't know what to say, okay? And number 3, final, okay? You indoctrinated the minds of many young people, much like your former teachers, Socrates and Plato.
I have one question. When did I indoctrinate them?
Alexander the Great is just one example. You had many more.
I never taught him. His personality was absolutely trash.
No, but you put beliefs in his mind that influenced his actions, which influenced his personality.
You Athenians literally wanted every single student you had to be in war, and believe that God will save you if you go in war. So
that's right. Thank you for getting that message out to the people.
If you like being in war and thinking that God will save you, why do you hate Alexander the Great so much? He was a brutal, war-loving beast.
Yes,
so why wouldn't you like him if he loved war?
We do not endorse war. It is necessary, but that doesn't mean we love it, okay? That's like saying, I love killing people. I don't, but if I have to do it, I'll do it if it saves my country, okay? Now, that's exactly the kind of corrupt thinking that your friend Aristotle taught the people, okay? And that's exactly why I'm anti-Aristotle. Thank you very much.
Well, look. Hey,
you know what I see when I look? I see a guy who taught the worst killer in history. You taught him how to kill.
I never taught him how to kill. I never taught him these beliefs. I taught him how to be virtuous.
So how did he become one of the youngest dictators in modern human history?
You're not mentioning that he was terrible, and you're not mentioning that he probably didn't. You introduced what you were going to have to be to bring yourself up, because if you don't bring yourself up, you're the same as me.
Okay, so can I kind of critique your theory that everyone has the natural state
You can't
of being virtuous?
You can't critic me anymore. You have to bring yourself up, or you're no better than I am.
I don't understand. If you're already bad, I can be better than you. Now, let me elaborate on why your theory is so bad. You assume that every man or every human has the natural state of being virtuous. That's exactly the theory of communism.
No.
Because communism also believes that every person...
Communism are literally people trying to work together.
Yes, but it is the idea that every person will be virtuous. Communism exists on the same fundamental idea as your theory, the theory of virtue.
No,
And we've already
Communism-
tested communism,
No,
and we've seen it fail spectacularly.
No,
That means
communism-
your theory is what I like to call
Communism.
bogus.
Look. Communism is basically saying, well, this is my property. No, this is our property.
No.
This is basically stealing other person's work and calling it yours.
But communism-
equals to plagiarism.
Communism exists on your theory of the theory of virtue. Okay,
No, it doesn't.
It believes that every person, even if they're not giving motivation or reward, they will naturally do the right thing, which is
But
exactly
that's not what communism is.
exactly
No, that's
It-
not what communism is.
that might not
Communism.
that might not be what communism is on paper, but that's what it is in practice,
No.
as we saw with the spectacularly
No.
bad Soviet Union. Are you telling me you're a puppet of communists?
No, I'm telling you that you don't even know the definition of communism. I feel bad for this man I'm talking to right now. You don't even know the proper definition of communism. Communism equals plagiarism.
You know what I don't know? I don't know why you still have hobgoblins blocking your reasoning so much. If you could just see that one of the worst political models in history is based on your theory of virtue, you would see how bad it is.
This is a weak point you have.
I encourage you.
This is a weak point you have. You're saying that my theory includes something that my theory doesn't actually have. You're defining communism as something it isn't.
You know what would be the virtuous thing to do right now?
What?
Admit that your theory is bogus and give the debate to me. Say you resign, shake my hand.
No! You coward! You don't have the courage to stand up to me. You're either a coward or a reckless beast, like
I'll tell you what I
somehow
am.
Alexander the Great was.
You know what I am? I'm virtuous. I'm courageous. I'm honest, and I'm definitely generous enough to
No!
give you enough time to be on my show and talk about
No!
why your bogus theory works.
No! You are reckless. You are reckless. You lie about everything, and you are way too stingy. You weird beast.
Well, guess what? I'm honest enough to admit that I'm a coward, I'm deficient, and I'm generous. That is the key
You
point.
mean stingy. You literally circled stingy.
Because listen, your theory is impossible it might be possible on paper, but it's impractical in practice.
No.
Because
I've seen virtuous people. It's natural.
Okay.
If you focus on being a good person, then by muscle, it's like
Give me-
muscle memory.
give me
you will
one
learn to be a good
example.
person.
Give me one example of a figure that satisfies all four of your virtuous conditions.
Okay.
Candy.
So let's say you have the train around. So you are driving a train, and there's no way to stop it. No. There's a train coming. You're on the sidewalk next to the train, and you can see that there are 5 workers on the road, and the train is about to hit them. So there's a switch next to you, and if you flip the switch, then the train will go on to another track. But that track has 1 worker on it. So should you flip the switch to sacrifice 1 life, or should you stand there and sacrifice 5?
Run over the 5.
No! That.
What if that one guy is a college professor at Princeton University at the Institute of Advanced Study?
No!
That's right. That's
No,
gonna
no.
make you reconsider, wouldn't
No!
it? Huh.
What?
That is the utilitarian
Regardless.
argument. That one person is probably of more economic value to society than those other 5 combined.
Hey, I just want
So
to
that
talk to you about
Totally defeats your entire
something. No,
argument.
I want to talk to you about something.
Yes, sir.
You're defining utilitarianism as the exact opposite of what it's supposed to be.
No.
It's regardless
no.
of their work life, their family, their anything. It's just how many lives there are to save. What if those
You-
5 were Harvard students that were studying black holes and black bodies? And
Well, let me tell you something. They aren't, okay? Do you know
Then
who
how
they
are you
are?
assuming that one of them is a college professor that knows everything about the universe? How are you assuming that if you can't assume that those 5 people are Harvard students?
Okay, excuse me. I
That
think
defeats your whole theory. That defeats your whole anti-Aristotle nonsense. And that defeats you. And that you should smell defeat in the air. Because I am the friend. I am a believer. And what if the most influential philosopher?
you know what I'm
in
a
the
believer in.
universe? What?
You know what I'm a believer in. So
Who won? Who lost? You didn't even put yourself up. You're worse than me. If you don't, you could be worse than me if you don't put yourself up. So who won the debate? The Aristotle or the anti-philosopher?
Subscribe to Bari Science Lab to fall in love with math and science, especially programming.